In this video, I'm going to show you how to get chocolate carrot in Grow a Garden Roblox. So this is actually part of the new Easter update, which you can see over here in the middle. We have the Easter shop, and to be able to unlock it, there's a lady in the middle, which is called Poppy. You will have to basically sell 30 kilograms of these golden crops, golden fruits, whatever you want to call them, to her, okay? So once you have 30 kilos, you can then access the shop. And let me give you a few tips on how to get this easily. So what you have to do is just plant down a bunch of these basic seeds. So I have, as you can see, strawberries, tomatoes, blueberries mostly. And a lot of these, of course, will grow very quickly. Therefore, you'll get a lot of these golden crops. As you can see, I have a bunch of them over here right now, and I've basically just started planting these. So you can then just collect these, and after you get a lot, you'll get eventually to the 30 kilo mark, and then you can just sell them to Poppy in the middle. Now, if you actually don't want to wait as long, I also have a trick you can do. Let me just show you over here. So you can get down there to that green stand, which is the gear shop, and there's a little item in there you can buy to actually boost your chances of getting mutations and golden crops as well, because golden crops, like you possibly know, are a mutation. So let me just head down here. There we go. Open up the gear shop, talk to the lady. You want to buy either the advanced sprinkler, the godly one, or the master one if it's available for you. So what these will do is it will increase mutation chances as well as fruit sizes. And what this will do is basically mutation chances will give you much more of those golden crops. And then the fruit size will give you heavier crops. Now, of course, that means you'll need just a few crops to reach those 30 kilos. And then you can get over here in the middle and talk to the lady called Poppy. And after you have sold 30 kilos to her, you'll be able to basically get access to this Easter shop. Once you do that, at the very top, you should see the chocolate carrot seed. Now, the chocolate carrot seed, of course, is 10,000 of these in-game currency per one, and it looks quite nice. You can, of course, plant it, buy it, and then get it for yourself as well. So buy one, get to your garden, place it down, and then you'll be able to harvest it once it grows up. I actually have one over here, as you can see. This is the carrot. Let me hover over it. There we go, chocolate carrot. My backpack is currently full, so I can't really show you me harvesting it, but let me just get back to there. There we go. Let me go back to the garden. And there we go, it's over here. So if I harvest that, there we go, this is the chocolate carrot. It looks quite nice, as you can see. And let me check how much it's worth over here in the shop. So how much is this worth? There we go, it's worth 20,000, so it's actually quite worth it. I paid a 10k for it, and I got 20k in return, as you can see. So let me actually sell this really quickly. There we go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.